The Supreme Court clearing the way now for investigations to finally get their hands on the former president's tax returns. The court has decided it will not block a grand jury in New York City from seeing the former president's personal and corporate tax records. The Manhattan District Attorney, Vance, launched an investigation into the Trump Organization back in 2018 after it was revealed that the former president paid hush money to the adult film star Stormy Daniels. And his self-described fixer, Michael Cohen, testified to Congress that the Trump Organization lied about its finances to dodge taxes and get loans. It is a major and decisive legal defeat for the former president, who's been fighting for years to keep his tax returns a secret. After the Supreme Court's decision, he released a statement vowing to fight on and claimed the tax investigation is a politically motivated fishing expedition. The DA tweeted a very brief statement of his own. The work continues. NBC News Justice correspondent Pete Williams has been following this from the start. Pete, this does not mean the public is about to see the president's tax returns anytime soon, right?
Not anytime soon, Shep, and maybe never, because under state law, any materials turned over to a grand jury must be kept secret. So the full tax return documents, or even parts of them, would become public only if Vance brings criminal charges at some future date and seeks to introduce them as evidence. What Vance is seeking are the tax returns covering 8 years for the grand jury's investigation of those hush money payments and other financial transactions. As you noted, Michael Cohen said that Stormy Daniels was paid $130,000 to keep her quiet, an allegation that the president denied. He also told Congress that the Trump Organization sometimes lied about its financial condition to evade taxes or to get more favorable loan terms. The investigation has clearly expanded beyond that, though, based on the people in the Trump orbit who've been interviewed by the investigators and on the resources that Vance is devoting to it. He's never said anything publicly about this except what's in court filings, hinting that the scope of the work may be broader than just the hush money payments and could include looking at such things as falsifying business records or insurance fraud or tax fraud. The subpoena is actually directed at his accountants, not to him, and they've said they'll abide by any court order. So the Vance team will probably start getting the documents later this week.